Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. I am just pushing out these videos back to back, but this video is all about my Leonora skirt by Seamwork. That is the skirt that I'm rocking right now. You saw it in my previous video, but the Leonora skirt is described as a effortless chic denim skirt with classic features that accompany traditional denim garment. It will look professional. It will upgrade my sewing, which it did, definitely did. And we're talking flat seams, back yoke, buttonholes, flat pocket. I mean, everything and more. And I am loving my skirt. This is just a beautiful pattern, very easy to follow, and I'm happy that I made it and I will be making a next one. Fabric suggestion. So a medium woven fabric such as denim, linen blend, broadcloth, which I don't really know, canvas, and corduroy. So I have a green, I made it out of a green jeans fabric that I had for years. I think I had made something out of it and I still had some left, so I used that. The amount of fabric that you need is 19 centimeters. Did I have any issues? I did not have any issues whatsoever. And I'm just going to, steps to success, and this is no joke, 49. But worth it. I'm telling you. Those are hella steps. And this is not, I did not finish it in a 1 day's work. I just hacked it up in pieces because it was too much. But I am definitely happy with the result. I'm going to head to the mirror so I can show you guys. Okay, so this is the Leonora skirt. The fit is amazing. I feel totally hot in this one. I do. This was my muslin, which became my main. And it is just a jeans. As you can see in the back, there's the yoke. Here I did a flat seam right there. And the 7 buttons in the front, the flat pockets. But the fit is amazing. It is a size 2. I'm sorry, the camera is going all over the place. But it is a size 2. And I matched it with my Oliver sweater. And I mean, the greens, I am in love with the color green. And of course, my ASOS sock boot. And this is my ensemble. I am totally rocking this entire seam work look. And with the great news that I got this week about me being an ambassador for Seamwork, it is only appropriate to post this video. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey, and have a great day. Bye.